Ilang putok?
Isa.
Ano pangalan? Lexus?
Nandun tapos yung mga matitigas, tapos bigla na lang babagsak.
One.
You like the way I talk, discussion. Used to always be si Van Tosha.
Saan kayo nakapwesto?
Dahil di ka siya, ukap lang yung meron ako, diba? You feel me cause I'm built like that, nigga. Girl, you know them rappers and shit. You're riding my dick even though that's your bitch. Would you still be going down with me without fancy cars and some jewelry? Di kasi ako mahilig sa material things. Basta stay down, that's all I bring shit. You like the way I talk, discussion. Pusa, always busy but I'm crushing. Baby, I can open up your mind. Show you how the world looks right into my eyes. Take it to a paradise, baby, have some mind. You undress whatever makes you comfortable. Tell you all the things that you're supposed to know. Like, I'm the type of when it comes to go. Madami pa ako kailangan gawin. Big money dapat ko pa napalaguin. Kasabay ng idol mo baka lamukin. Kasi pag nagpaulan ako baka sila natin. Dahil di ka siya ukap lang yung meron ako, diba? You feel me cause I'm built like that, nigga. Girl, you know them rappers ain't shit. They're riding my dick even though that's your bitch. Would you still be going down with me without fancy cars and some jewelry? Di kasi ako makilig sa material things. Basta stay down, cause that's all it brings. Kung magka-right na sa vacation, all you really need is attention. Good date, palagi naman mention. Pag-smoke, tapos ibang dimension. Tell me baby, would you die for me? Yeah. You know what's up, pag against the shit ko kalidad. Let me take you out the hood, sabay mag-money out. Mga downers, masarap i-uppercut. Tingnan saan bad boy, volume mabigat. Sama naman din nila basta-basta matibag. Kusturang matigas na salitaan. Dahil di na siya, ukap lang yung meron ako, bro. You feel me kasi